Hi, welcome to the ninth grade curriculum presentation for Utica Community Schools. In this presentation, I will talk about the Michigan Merit Curriculum and the graduation requirements for UCS. I will also review the available electives in ninth grade. This slide shows you the Michigan Merit Curriculum. These are specific classes in each subject area that are required to take and pass to earn a diploma. Any of these classes that a student does not pass must be made up through a credit recovery program. Students must take and pass 4 years of English, 9th grade through 12th grade. Students must take and pass 4 years of math, including geometry, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and a senior year math experience. Students who have had algebra and/or geometry before 9th grade have fulfilled those requirements. Students must take and pass 3 years of science. Biology and chemistry or physics are required. In addition, students must take and pass a third science credit. For most students, this will be the 9th grade physical science class. Students must take and pass 3 years of social studies, world history, U.S. history, and government and economics. Students must take and pass 1 year of visual, performing, or applied arts. Any course with the VPAA designation in the course guides fulfills this requirement. Students must take and pass 1 semester of health and 1 semester of physical education. There are substitutions available, and these can be found on the UCS website. Students must take and pass 2 years of a world language. Spanish, French, and German are offered in Utica Community Schools. If students have taken a course in 8th grade, they have fulfilled one of these requirements. In 9th grade, students will have 4 hours of core classes. They will be able to choose between English 9 or Honors English 9. I will speak about the honors classes more in an upcoming slide. The typical 9th grade math class is geometry. Students on the 1-year accelerated pathway will take accelerated geometry, which goes deeper into the course content, and students on the 2-year accelerated pathway will take accelerated algebra 2. The math class will not be chosen by the students in Powerschool. Counselors will schedule students based on their 8th grade math class. All 9th grade students take physical science, which counts as a general science credit. Finally, students may choose between regular world history or advanced placement world history. There will be more information on the advanced placement class in an upcoming slide. Parents and students can read more about each class by visiting the UCS website, www.uticak12.org, and choosing Academics, and then Secondary, and then Student Curriculum Guides. From there, you can read course descriptions by clicking on the appropriate subject area. 9th grade students will have 2 hours of elective courses. They will choose between full year electives and semester electives. This slide details the full year elective courses that are available to 9th graders. A description of each is available on the UCS website. Each course that is marked with a VPAA designation will fulfill that graduation credit. This slide shows the semester electives that are available to 9th graders. If a student has already taken photo, or sculpture, or EDE2 in 8th grade, they may not take it again. Students must select 2 semester electives to fill 1 hour for the entire year. When parents and students are considering which electives to choose, please be thoughtful with your choices. Talk about them as a family, and please remember that schedule changes are rarely possible in the fall. When the school develops the master schedule, we use the student requests. In the fall, there may not be room in a different elective, or that class may not fit into the student's schedule. Additionally, if not enough students request a class, that class may not run. Students will then be placed into a backup choice, so please be thoughtful when selecting alternate electives. If you have no desire to be in a class, don't choose it as a backup elective. Students in 9th grade have several accelerated courses to choose from. Students may opt into the Honors English 9 course by selecting it in Powerschool. This course will involve more in-depth study of literature and grammar. Students should enjoy reading and already have good writing skills. A summer project may be assigned. Honors English helps prepare students for advanced placement English courses at the high school. Accelerated math courses are for students who were successful in their accelerated math course in 8th grade. Any questions about your math class should be directed to your current math teacher or your current counselor. Families should be extremely careful when opting into accelerated classes. There will be additional homework required, and students will not be removed from an accelerated class during the school year. There are 3 advanced placement courses that may be selected in 9th grade. These are courses that are designed by College Board and taught at a college level. Students should expect significant amounts of reading and writing assignments, as well as classroom discussion and presentations. AP World History replaces regular world history and covers historical content from 8000 BCE to the present. Students are taught how to craft historical arguments from historical evidence, utilize chronological reasoning to understand historical events, compare and contrast multiple perspectives on a given historical experience, and critique diverse historical interpretations. Students will be assigned significant reading and writing assignments and be assessed on a regular basis through tests and essays. AP Human Geography can be taken as an elective or in place of regular world history. Students who opt to take it as a social studies class should consult their high school counselor for more information. AP Human Geography is an introductory college-level course. Students will expand their understanding of human geography through data and geographic analyses as they explore topics like patterns and spatial organization, human impacts and interactions with their environment, and spatial processes and societal changes. AP Computer Science Principles introduces students to the foundational concepts of the field and challenges them to explore how computing and technology can impact the world. It focuses on big ideas of computer science, including algorithms and programming. Each of these advanced placement courses will prepare students for an end-of-course exam in May. Students who score high enough may be able to earn college credit. AP classes also add a 0.5 to the grade earned. For example, an A in an AP class will earn 4.5 instead of 4.0. There are 3 world languages that can be taken in UCS: Spanish, French, and German. Students interested in taking a different language should contact their counselor for additional options. The Michigan Merit Curriculum requires 2 years of a single foreign language. However, students who attempt 1 year and struggle may choose to substitute a different class for the 2nd year. This can be an additional VPAA credit or a CTE, or a Career and Technical Education program. Please check the website for these options. Students who took and passed a world language in 8th grade with at least 70% for both semesters have already earned the first credit. Keep in mind that different colleges have different requirements. If you have a particular college in mind, please check out that school's website to see their required and recommended classes. UCS has produced a separate video detailing the process of entering your class choices into Powerschool. It is available on the UCS website. If you have any questions regarding your scheduling, please reach out to your junior high counselor.